Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to induce mutation in a particular protein. By mutagenesis, you can get mutant protein from normal crystallographic structure or any normal 3D structure. And by mutagenesis, you can study the comparative dynamic behavior of mutant protein versus normal protein. There are several other utilities, okay, but in this tutorial I am going to only show you how to induce a mutation, and for this I am going to use PyMOL, which is a molecular visualization software as well as editing software. So let's see. First of all, open PyMOL and the normal protein structure. I have saved it on my desktop and I am going to open it in PyMOL. Now it is open in PyMOL, and now let's check the amino acid residues. For that, click on display and then sequence. You can see the sequence, the amino acid is in single letter code, but you can also change it to the residues name, that means 3-letter code, so that you can easily identify the amino acid. And now I want to mutate these cysteine residues. For that, go to the wizard and then mutagenesis, select protein, and now click on the residues, the amino acid residues which you want to mutate. So here cysteine, and now I want to change it to serine amino acid. Okay, so a mutation will be induced after clicking on cysteines. Go to the right bar and you can see here no mutation is there, but you click on it and change it to serine and then click on apply. Now the cysteine residues has been replaced with serine residues. That's how we have induced a mutation, and you can then simply save this PDB structure as a new molecule. So click on export molecule. So go to file and click on export molecule and export it as PDB. So these are the PDB options. Okay, click on save and give it a name. First select the PDB because it will be saved in PDB format, and I'm going to name it as mutant.pdb and save it. Now close this bar and again open this mutant protein to check whether the residues has been replaced or not. So I am going to open it in BioVia Discovery Studio, and also in BioVia Discovery Studio you can check that instead of cysteine residues, a serine residues is present in that particular position. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.